Okay. That's okay. That's not bad.
Pick it down, bro.
Just could sell these now.
Shish.
How much so thick yarn I got? I could do another ton, I think.
Gamble.
This is ill-advised. Okay.
Okay.
I got all the Far East. What the fuck? Who's selling it for that much? You weaves,
Check the
bro.
price history, bro.
You weaves, bro. Get out of here.
There's no way it's that much, dude.
It's not that much. I'm gonna set it for 20 mil. Literal weaves, bro. Get out of here. Them Japanese lovers. Wait, how much yarn do I have? 4. Okay. I'll leave these. I think I do about 5 left. Okay. We gotta go. We gotta keep going, bro. We gotta keep going. Gamba for the soul. Wait, there's gotta be cheaper ones in here, actually. Wow. I saw some for 12 mil.
Can't you just use your own?
I could, actually. Which one's the cheapest? Yeah, just fucking use this. Yeah, this ain't looking too hot, man.
I will not lie, this is not looking too good.
Looking real bad.
But you know what they say? When you play from behind, you have more to win.
Yes, bro.
No one says that, but like, 50% someone does.
It's fucking.
Go wrong.
I'm locked in. I'm locked the fuck in.
Oh!
I'm the god of weapons.
Fuck yeah, dude. Just okay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's late.
What are you popping off about? Did you just win a run of God of Weapons on tier difficulty 3? Did you?
He gambled his way to like double the goal.
I made my money back.
Free money generator, bro.
No,
bro.
It's getting stressful, bro.
The low you would have experienced from not hitting that is not worth the high you